Ha. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. Welcome back to another 3 to 1 video where I give you short phrases and sentences that I feel will be helpful for you when traveling to Ghana as a tourist, so you can communicate with the locals. Before we get into today's translation, I'm just going to need you to just subscribe for me and like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. It could be an emoji. If you can't think of a comment, it could be the flag of the country you're watching me from. Just leave something. Leave a full stop. Even a full stop will do. Leave a full stop and that will bring me up on the YouTube spiritual realm. Right, let's get into today's translation. So today's translation was requested by one of my subscribers. I'm going to leave their name over here. Thank you for your request. If you guys have any other requests for short phrases or sentences, definitely leave them in the comment section. Today's translation is, how do you say insert word in tree? How do you say insert word in tree? Say na wɔka blank wɔ tree kasemu. Saying is how. Saying is how. Wɔka, you say. Wɔka, you say. Kasa is in reference to language or speak. If someone says kasa, they mean speak, or it can mean language. Tree kasa, so tree language. Kasa mu. Mu means in something, in something. Say na wɔka wɔ tree kasa mu. How do you say insert word in tree? Say na wɔka wɔ tree kasa mu. Say na wɔka wɔ tree kasa mu. You could also say na yɛka wɔ tree kasa mu. Say na yɛka wɔ tree kasa mu. One more time. Say na yɛka wɔ tree kasa mu. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.